Hey, Nina. Nina, look up. What is it? Yeah, there's some snakes up there, huh?
Look at the lizard on the wall.
That's pretty crazy, huh?
Look at the lizard over there.
There's a lizard on the wall?
There's one up there too. In that tree. Look.
This is a cool place, huh?
I can hear something.
Let's go see. This is Reptile Gardens in South Dakota, right by Rushmore.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Did that scare you?
Yeah.
Hey, let me come over here. Say hello. Huh?
Hello. You gonna say it? Can you talk? Hello. 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 Can you talk?
I don't know. I think he's all done talking. There's a little lizard up there too.
Hello. Hello. Did you hear him say hello to us? Hello. Aww. Goodbye.
Bye. Look, there's more big parrots up here. Those are pretty birds, huh?
Okay.
Wow. Okay, let's see if we can go find some more animals.